How to change email on Fiverr account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can delete your Fiverr email. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into your fiverr.com using your account credential. Once you log in, you land in your home page. Now to change your email, navigate to top right corner, click on your profile. From here, go to the settings and click on settings. Now once you land on settings, you'll be taken into your profile page where you can edit your public profile. Here is this email text box where your old email will be displayed. Now to change it into new, click on it. You'll see a cursor in this text box on the email. Type in your new email that you want to change into. Once you're done typing in your new email, all you have to do is click on Save Changes button there. Now once you have done that, first of all, you have to verify your original email address. So in order to change your email, open up your Gmail in your device. Make sure that you're logged in with your old account in order to change your new account. Here you have an email from the Fiverr, open it up. Scroll down a bit and here it says to confirm the change, please click here. So click on this link right here. Again, you have to verify your new email address as well. Go back to Gmail and then switch your account to the new email address that you have changed into Fiverr. Again, you have an email from Fiverr, click and open it up, and here click on this link that says click here in order to verify your new email address. Now your new email address is verified, and there you go. Now the email has been changed in your Fiverr account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.